how to stop sharing reels on Instagram. On this process, firstly, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your phone. So you have to confirm that. And after confirming that, you will have to open the Instagram app and log in with your account. And simply from here, you will have to move with this profile option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and from here you will have to move with the options account sections, so like it will appear on this top. So simply tap on it, and from here you will have to go with the options sharing across profiles, so it will appear on this connected experiences section. So simply you have to tap on this. Okay, so simply from here you will have to choose the Facebook, and from here you will got options to turn on or turn off the reels, Facebook post or story from here. So as you can see, in my case I have the options like setup, so in your case it might be turn off like on this both sections. So you can simply you can turn it and turn off from here. So likewise you can also stop sharing reels on Instagram directly from your Facebook. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.